Right, so just going to show you a wee demo then of how to attach your padded footplate then. So same idea, I'm just going to tilt the chair back a wee bit so it makes it that wee bit easier as it's lifted that wee bit higher and not putting a lot of stress on my back or hips. So your padded footplate is done with Velcro. So I'm going to just take the Velcro straps apart at either side, set it on the chair, come down to your footplate then and just fold it out right. If you want you can lift it up that wee bit higher. So just going to put it on like so, just going to do one side at a time. So bring that around, put it on nice and tight underneath here, just get it as tight as you can so it's not sliding all over the place. Same with the other side then, and just make sure the Velcro is nice and tight. So you can see then there isn't a lot of movement on that, and the padded footplate is then in place and it won't actually fall off the chair, so you can fold that up if you need to be a wee bit, but that's your padded footplate. Thank you.